Hi.
So what are we talking about today?
Choices?
Choices?
Yeah.
What's
Like
choices?
we chose to come to the park today. We
Let's
could
get the
have
hang
been
of
just
it.
sitting at home on our own. But
Yeah,
instead,
we're in the sun,
yeah,
we're in the
that's
green, trees.
really, really nice.
So what knowledge have we got for our watchers today? I say we talk about breathing.
Breathing. And I say we talk about cooking.
Okay, let's do
So
both.
we can do
How
both.
can we do how can we talk about cooking and breathing? So you chop it onion, you breathe.
From last time, you remember that?
Um what's okay, here's a good question.
Okay. You asked me about
What
breathing and I asked you about cooking.
yeah, so what's the best thing that you have learned within your breathing classes or your breathing seminars? What's the greatest or the top tip that you'd like to share with everyone?
Well, not so much in the classes, but I researched a lot about it. And they say your life is the amount of related to the amount of breaths you are given.
Tell me
So
more.
it's important not to waste your breath. So maybe you can practice on lowering the count of your breaths per minute. And I remember I used to take 2 breaths a minute.
Two breaths
And
a minute? I'm
yeah,
like 10 breaths a minute. I'm like,
10 is good. People usually do like 22, 25. So, if you are one of those, just try to bring it down to 16. Or if you are having 16 already, bring it down to 10. And then you can slowly bring it down to 6. An easiest way to do is just do like 5 counts in, 5 counts out. So they'd be like every 10 seconds one breath. So you'll have 6 breaths a minute.
and what's the benefit of breathing less? You live longer?
I guess you live longer and healthier. And seriously, as I said, when I was taking 2 breaths a minute, my life was full of miracles. They say, you know, you have the power in your hands if your breath count is less than 4.
For a
They
minute.
say if you have 1 breath a minute, but that's like your regular breath. There's nothing you can't do. So these are the sayings from the Buddhist and yogis. So I did too, and my life was really good then. So I'm trying to go back to that. Unfortunately, we forget and we let ourselves lost in the life, and then your breath changes with your life, and also your life changes with your breath. So if you change, like if I drop my breath count to 2 a minute, I'm sure my life will be much better and better. Although it's okay at the moment, I don't have any problems, but I'll still, I'll start receiving miracles again. I believe in that.
Do you know what I found out the other day? The word guru, gu is, it means dispel, and ru is darkness. So guru is dispel of darkness. So that word signifies, or that person who's a quote unquote guru is dispelling that darkness out of you, or the opposite, is bringing light
Exactly. So
into your.
from there, we know our dark side is important as well, because if we are aware of our dark sides, then we can know where to shine the light, how we can lighten that up. So, you need to talk to your dark side, see what it's trying to tell you, and from there on you accept and you find the light for it, because with your light side you are already moving forward, your dark sides are holding you back. So once you light those, you can move forward even faster. So it is important we are in touch with the dark side of yourself. So that could be limited beliefs, that could be fears, that could be worries. You might be thinking you want something so much but it's not happening to you. You have to ask yourself, actually, what is it in me that doesn't want this to happen? So that's the dark side you might not even realize. So you need to actually ask the question and talk to your dark side and get the answers, and yeah, lighten that side. That's very important.
Okay.
Right, so tell me about how am I supposed to enjoy cooking every day?
every day.
Yes, I have to cook every day.
I don't even enjoy cooking every day, so you can't ask me that. How is that the question?
Can you put it down? Yeah. How is it? How do you make cooking enjoyable? You're a chef. You must enjoy cooking. That's why you became a chef, isn't it? So what makes you enjoy? Let me see.
So, how do you make it enjoy? I think keeping it simple, keeping ingredients or finding ingredients that you really love, and changing up a bit. I think those are the three things. I'm literally just making this up as we go. So, keeping it simple, finding or having ingredients that you really love, and playing around with it. So let's say if you're used to, I don't know, boiling potatoes, try roasting it, try steaming it, try frying it, like graturing it and frying it and making it into a roasty. So I think
Don't get stuck with only one way of doing things.
yeah, I think that the play or having the opportunity to play with your ingredients is a fun way to keep it interesting. You know.
So what would you say the 3 or 5 maybe main ingredients you must always have it at home?
Again, it's something that my 5 will be different to your 5 because
What is your 5?
my pleasures.
That you can just create something, you know? When you think like, oh, I have nothing at home, then you have that 5 main ingredients and you can just cook something.
Do you know what? I feel really lost when I don't have garlic and onion
Yeah.
in my
I
cupboard because
can
that's always the base.
Yeah,
You know, when
that
you have
gives
that
the
base
taste.
ingredients, you can make everything taste pretty amazing. So it'd definitely be garlic. Definitely be onion. I like quick stuff, so some kind of wheat, whether it be bulgur, couscous, because it's just like really just snappy, like bit of boiled water, bit of spice, boom, 5-10 minutes done. What else? Five ingredients, right?
Yeah.
So onion,
Garlic,
garlic,
bulgur or couscous.
some kind of whole grain, because again I'm trying to bring that healthy back, trying to be sexy. So
You always has to put that in.
I always.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
So yeah, something healthy. Broccoli. Here's a quick tip. Purple stem broccoli instead of the normal. What do you call normal broccoli?
Green broccoli.
Green broccoli. So having stem broccoli is actually a lot healthier because all the nutrients are in the stem. So if you're ever shopping, go for the stem broccoli, purple stem broccoli, tender stem broccoli, as opposed to the normal head. Because most of the time as well, we cut off the stem of the normal headed broccoli. We just use the bulbs. So yeah, some broccoli. So we kind of have covered all bases, right? We have the onion, garlic, a little bit healthy, broccoli, carrots and so forth, and some kind of grain.
Yeah.
So that would be my 5.
So you could make it out of from that. You can make hot meal. You can make
Yeah.
salads.
Even if it's rice, you
one,
could do like
anything really, isn't it?
fried rice. You could do probably some kind of protein as well. So it'd be like chicken. Or,
Yeah. But did you know people who is into spiritually,
They don't eat meat.
they don't eat onions and garlic, some of them, because they believe onion and garlic triggers your mind, so it makes you think a lot. So for them to be able to strongly spiritual and connected, they don't eat garlic and onion. So the mind can go quiet.
That's probably why my mind's always going 100 miles an hour.
Tick tock, tick tock. But then it's also, they say it's like antibiotic, isn't it? Garlic and onion is good for your health. So you really have to choose that. I mean, if there's any days that you really want to be connected, and maybe those days,
No, you don't.
choose not to eat garlic and onion.
Raw garlic, good for your libido.
Yeah.
Chop in half, swallow.
What was that?
It's the libido. Oh yes, the libido. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it. We're done.
No.
So bye haircut. No, we want more. Come on, it's like 10 minutes long.
Yeah. Last one about breathing.
Go on.
Make sure your normal breathing is through your nose. It's a diaphragm breathing, so it starts from your lower belly area and raises up to your body.
And through your
And
mouth,
it's
right?
long. it's quiet
Okay.
and it's deep if you can. So
Steep. What do you mean by steep?
deep, deep,
Deep.
deep. So,
So-
you take deep breath in and then you give it out. You can give it out through your mouth if you want, but normally daily life in and out through your nose. But if you feel the need to calm down a bit, just bring it in and then your exhale is longer than your inhale, so you can go. Okay, but during the day just keep it, as I said, slow and quiet. And yeah, that helps with everything.
Let's do one more view, circular view of what we see. And say goodbye, Haruka.
Goodbye, thank you, stay safe.
How you say goodbye in Turkish? Gudi, gudi, gala guru,
Güle güle.
gule gule.
Gucu 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 gucu.
No, someone said it was gudi
Turkey.
gudi. What's gudi gudi then? Gudi gudi is nothing.
I don't know. In English, gucu gucu gucu.
Alright, see you later, guys.
Okay, take care.